They're tiny little bottles that cost $5 million hairs. And that stuff is expensive. Think of how many dolls you needed. This got weird. Hey guys, I'm Megan Mitchell and I'm here in the Thrive Market Test Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make a wellness shot. What's a wellness shot? You may see them in the grocery store. They're a little bottle of either ginger, citrus. It's to make you feel better when you're feeling a little sick, but I'm going to show you how to make it at home, and it's way easier and cheaper. But before I get started, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're wondering what Thrive Market is, it's an online market that sells non-GMO and organic products straight to your door. Let's get started. So you need a lot of citrus. I like to make a big batch of this and sip on it throughout the week if I'm feeling a little sick. Perfect timing. When I hear a cough, I start making it. Why make it at home? You know where all of the ingredients come from. I know if they're organic, and it tastes better, it's fresher. Sometimes you get them in the little jars or the little containers and you're like, I don't know how old this is. I think it tastes good. So what you're gonna need is 4 lemons, 3 oranges. Can you count? 3 oranges and 2 grapefruits. If you don't have a hand juicer, which I think is an amazing tool, a handy dandy tool, as well as a zester, I think it's worth the investment and it's not expensive. Why am I doing lemons, oranges, and grapefruit? All citrus has vitamin C in it. The lemon adds a nice tang and brightness and acidity and sourness. The orange is a little sweeter, and same with the grapefruit. Another thing about wellness shots is it's just an added boost of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that you might not get in your diet otherwise. You can kind of change this and add whatever you want. I'm adding turmeric and cayenne pepper to mine and ginger, but I've seen it with oregano oil. Sometimes I see it with garlic, echinacea. You could do it with just orange and lemon, but I like that the grapefruit adds a little sweetness to it, just a smidge bit. So you can see this caught some seeds, some stuff I don't want in my wellness shots. Okay, to my juice, I have a 3-inch piece of peeled ginger, and I'm gonna grate it on a zester. And this is finely mincing it. If you don't have a zester, you can chop it and chop it and chop it. This is all the ginger. Just want to tap it off. All right, I'm good with that. Ginger, done. This is 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder, which is a great anti-inflammatory, has some amazing properties. And then I have 1 teaspoon of cayenne. This just clears out your sinuses. This really gets them going. Whisk this up. Oh, that's it. That's it, man. Ginger, turmeric, wellness shots. This will keep in your fridge about a week and a half, and if you're feeling run down, I would take one in the morning and I would take one at night. Get that boost of vitamin C. Do it, do it. I like to store mine in a jar, or you can keep it in this because it's easy to pour from. And look at that color. This is Tang. I just made homemade Tang. Does the exact same thing as a wellness shot. Said my mom in the 90s. Make sure before you take it, just give it a stir, because the ginger and turmeric will settle to the bottom, and whoever gets the last shot is in for a treat. So careful, can I do this? That's about as much as you need. That's kind of a big one, but I'm feeling that cold coming on. Let's give this baby a try. It's bright. It's citrusy. That cayenne hits the back of my throat. Same with the ginger. But I feel rejuvenated. I feel like cold. Get on out of here. Get to stepping. So I hope you give it a try. Let me know if you do. Do you have a way that you like to fight cold and flu season? I am always down to learn. Stay healthy. Happy cooking. And Is everyone coughing? I'm just gonna cut all these babies up. I'm gonna juice them, so buckle in. This is what we call a cooking show. Just like 2 more hours, and then we're done.